Hey everybody, so we're here with something a little different and a little special. I have Uriah here with me. Uriah, how's it going?
Good.
Good, so your dad's one of my friends, Andy, and you got this cool little piggy bank.
Yeah.
If you want to really quick, kind of tell us a little bit about how you got it.
Well, we were visiting my great-grandma in Ohio, and when we left, she gave me this and said that it was given to her by a friend, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
Now, I can tell that there's some money in here. I mean, like, is this like your retirement plan you kind of got going on in here? Like,
I wish, but no.
No?
Oh.
How old do you think the coins are inside there? Do you have any guesses?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I mean, probably older than me.
Okay, I think that's a pretty safe bet. So is what we did here is he brought it in and I started playing with it. I got out my lockpick lodge, started trying to pick it, and as a little bit of time went on, I realized that although I could spin it, I was not clicking any mechanism that needed to. Now, I'm guessing this is older than me, right, from the looks of it. And so it's kind of a little journey we went on to get here. And truth be told, I almost gave up twice, huh?
Yeah.
And you told me I couldn't. No, I'm joking. No. But so anyway, so I went ahead and I grabbed a towel dispenser key. And on this side here, you can see my first attempt. And although I thought I was doing pretty good with it, I realized I didn't have any little wings off to each one of the sides, huh?
Yeah.
And I almost gave up again.
Yeah.
But then I was sitting here and I was looking at this side and I was like, you know what? All I need to do is take my Dremel tool and drill right down the center. And so I'm pretty sure that this side is going to open the key. We have not opened this. We don't know what type of treasure is hidden inside here. So how about we put it in here and we turn it? We'll see what happens. Want to give it a try?
Sure.
All right. Yeah, we'll try that again there. Oh, there we go. Okay, so right there, I think let's see, is it coming off? Is it coming out? Nope, not quite. So I'd set it on the counter, or on the table there, and then try just doing it a little more. There we go. Okay, now try.
Doesn't seem to want to open. Yeah.
Yep, so if we put it in here, let's see. So if we turn it, okay, right there, and you can feel see how it springs?
Yeah.
You can tell it's right there with that opening mechanism. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a lot of twist here. And I'm gonna, is it all right if I grab on here a little bit on these? Oh, there we go. Okay, so it was just a little stuck. All right, so I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna let you lift it up and see what kind of treasure we got. Ooh.
Looks like
What year is that quarter?
1970.
Ooh, that's kind of cool. Let's see. Very cool. What else do we got?
Bunch of pennies, a nickel, and a dime.
What years on them? You see any good years?
1957, that's pretty old.
Now we're talking.
I have a friend who likes to collect ones older than 1964, 1973, 1971, 1973, 1970, 1973. Looks like these are from the
In the 70s.
yeah. Oh, 1963, that's pretty good. 1969, 1969 again, 1963, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
1974, 60, that's really good. 1974.
Oh yeah, a little bit more in there.
1960, 1972, 1971, 1968, 1961, that's really good.
Oh yeah.
1974.
1967, I think is what that is.
Okay. 1964, 1971. Then dime is from 1991.
Ooh, looks like someone found that and maybe popped it in there, huh?
Yeah. 2003.
Okay.
Cool.
Very good. Well, I mean, what do you think about your findings here?
Don't think it's a very good retirement plan.
Okay. No mega yacht at this point.
No.
Right. Okay. Well, cool. Well, hey, thanks for bringing it and letting me not give up when I was trying to open it several times. And I'll let you keep the key, but be careful with that thing. That's custom made and sharp.
Oh, okay.
But
That's cool. The mechanism. You can see where our troubles began.
Yep. So yeah, the whole time we were trying to retract those springs there at that very end, where you could kind of feel felt like it was almost done, but it was kind of spongy.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, cool. Thanks for getting that thing open.
Yeah, you got it. It was fun. I've never seen one of those before, and fun to see how they work.
Yeah.
That's right, buddy. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to go back to work since there's no treasure in here. But I mean, as if you were gonna give me any anyways,
yeah,
right?
I'd probably give you a couple gold coins.
Oh, really?
Assuming there would be anything.
Exactly. But I hope everyone enjoyed. And what I'm most curious about is in the comments, let us know, have you encountered a piggy bank like this or anything similar and had trouble opening it like I did? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you. Hey, before you go, I want to make sure that you know to include the hashtag lockboss when you comment on our videos, and you automatically get hooked up to win free stuff that we give away each and every week. Tune in live here on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and find out who the lucky winners are. I'm rooting for you. We'll see ya.